Hello and welcome to this tech latest Stable Diffusion video series on Automatic 1111. Today we are going to discuss about the cool feature of Automatic 1111 which is available in the form of extension that is, ControlNet. Automatic 1111 as the leading browser-based interface using the Gradio library. It comes with a variety of features to improve the user experience and produce excellent results. The UI stands out for its extensive range of extensions and constant innovation, which sets it apart from other user interfaces. ControlNet is a neural network structure, architecture, or new neural net structure that helps you control the diffusion model, just like the Stable Diffusion model, with adding extra conditions. It creates a copy of a neural network and holds one neural network while making changes to another neural network to produce the final output. It copies the weights of neural network blocks into a locked copy and a trainable copy. The trainable one learns your condition. The locked one preserves your model. ControlNet comes pre-packaged with compatibility with several models that help it to identify the shape, form of the target in the image. It's a great tool, or you can say a game changer. It adds additional levels of control to Stable Diffusion image composition. It gives you much greater and finer control when creating images with text-to-image and image-to-image. If you are using Stable Diffusion with Automatic 1111 solution by TechLatest.net, then you will see ControlNet extension is pre-installed out of the box. And you can start experimenting with it immediately. You can find this extension in Text-to-Image tab, scroll down. And here it is. It is also available in Image-to-Image tab. Down here. You can upload your image in this area here. Once image get uploaded, you can see this tools are enabled to scribble on the uploaded picture. This camera icon allow you to capture a picture from a web camera. By default, ControlNet extension is disabled. Check this box to enable it. Here are different options available to choose from. Low VRAM helps systems with less than 6 GB of versus RAM at the expense of slowing down processing. The weight and guidance sliders determine how much influence ControlNet will have on the composition. These are the basic settings here. You can play with different values and see the difference in output images. The Canvas section is only used when you wish to create your own scribbles directly from within ControlNet as opposed to importing an image. Preview Annotator result allows you to get a quick preview of how the selected preprocessor will turn your uploaded image or scribble into a detect map for ControlNet. Very useful for experimenting with different preprocessors. Hide Annotator result removes the preview image. The ControlNet extension allows you to use different models like Canny, Depth, Head, OpenPose, etc. in order to make your output match any input you can imagine. We will go through each of these with examples. They are the game changer, or can say bread and butter of ControlNet. Now let's create some images using Stable Diffusion. Provide the prompt in prompt area. Here we have generated these set of 4 images. I am choosing the best one to use with ControlNet. Upload or drag this image in image area. You can also send it to text-to-image ControlNet from image browser. Coming back on ControlNet, I applied the basic setup here. Now we'll use the models and see the results. A Canny edge detector is a general-purpose, old-school edge detector. It extracts the outlines of an image. It is useful for retaining the composition of the original image. And here is an example. Click on Preview Annotator result button. It will show you the preview like this here. Now I am creating images using this prompt and this settings. And here is the output. Amazing images retaining the composition of base image provided in the ControlNet. Like this way we can apply different preprocessors and generate the results. Next let's see, using scribbles. ControlNet can also turn something you scribble into an image. I am enabling Canvas by clicking on Create Blank Canvas. You can see Brush Tool is enabled now. Making some changes in settings as well. With this bird picture and this beautiful, colorful, bird prompt, I am generating images. And we got this awesome result. Very fine and clear. Next let's see depth option. Depth option creates a basic depth map estimation based off the image. Very commonly used as it provides good control over the composition and spatial position. ControlNet's depth map has a higher resolution than Stable Diffusion V2's depth to image option. For some preprocessors, it will enable some extra settings like threshold A, threshold B, etc. Adjust them according to your requirement. And here is the result for Castle using Depth Preprocessor of ControlNet. OpenPose is a fast keypoint detection model that can extract human poses like positions of hands, legs, and head. Keypoints are extracted from the input image using OpenPose and saved as a control map containing the positions of keypoints. It is then fed to Stable Diffusion as an extra conditioning together with the text prompt. Images are generated based on this two conditioning. OpenPose only detects key points, so the image generation is more liberal but follows the original pose. See the example here. This is preview. And this is the output images I got using OpenPose preprocessor of ControlNet. Next we have Straight Line Detector. As the name suggests, ControlNet can be used with MLSD, that is Mobile Line Segment Detection, a fast straight line detector. It is useful for extracting outlines with straight edges like interior designs, buildings, street scenes, picture frames, and paper edges. HED Edge Detector. Holistically Nested Edge Detection is an edge detector good at producing outlines as an actual person would. According to ControlNet's authors, HED is suitable for recoloring and restyling an image. You can try with different preprocessors and generate the images as per your requirement. That's all for this video. In this video, we explain the ControlNet features and provided a step-by-step guide using ControlNet on Automatic 1111 Stable Diffusion interface. TechLatest.net provides the Stable Diffusion with Automatic 1111 web interface offer in the form of a virtual machine solution on leading cloud platforms including Google Cloud, Amazon Web Services, AWS, and Microsoft Azure. To ensure you have the best learning experience and can follow the course content seamlessly, we highly recommend provisioning the pre-configured Stable Diffusion virtual machine solution available on these cloud marketplaces. Here's how to get started. Go to www.techlatest.net/sd. Click the provided cloud provider marketplace link. Follow the on-screen instructions to launch the VM. To make the provisioning of VM easy for you, we have step-by-step guides, which shows all the steps in details. All the links are in the description. Thank you for watching.